Okay, so to add a link to a page in your SilverStripe website, the first thing we need is some text that you wish to be clickable. Now, for the text, it's best to avoid phrases such as click here. It's much better to use the actual title of the page that you're going to be linking to, or a phrase explaining where the user is going to be taken to. So for example, on our About Us page here, I'm going to create a link to the Edinburgh office page. So to do so, let's go ahead and type out some text. So let's say find out about our Edinburgh office. We can then go ahead and select that text by clicking and dragging across it. And if we go out to the toolbar, you can click on the Insert Link icon, which is the one that looks like a little bit of chain. When we do so, the Insert Link dialog pops up. So the first thing it asks is the type of thing that we're linking to. So you can link to a page on the current website. You can link to a completely different website, and it will ask for the full website address. You can link to an anchor on this page, which is rarely used but allows you to link to a different location a bit further down on the same page. You can link to an email address so that when the user clicks on the link it pops up with a new email to you. Or you can choose to create a link to download a file, which we'll come to a bit later on in this video. But for this link we need to create a link to a page on our current website. So let's select that option, and then it asks you to choose the page. So if we click in the page drop down, you'll see that a list of all the pages on our site appears, just like in our site tree. So let's expand our offices subpages, and there we have our Edinburgh page. So we simply click on the page we wish to create the link to, and click on Insert Link. And there we have our link created to our Edinburgh office page. So if we save and publish that, we can go ahead and preview it, and we've got our link that when you click on it, takes them through to the Edinburgh page. Now, one of the least straightforward things in SilverStripe is creating a link to a file. There's two steps to remember when doing so. The first is to upload the file to your website. The second is to create the link to that file. So let's do this now. From our Edinburgh office page, let's create a link to download a PDF. So, first thing to do is to get that file up onto the website. So jump across here to the Files tab. In the Files tab, you can see all the folders and files that you've got online, and you can choose to manage this as you wish. You can choose to just dump everything into a single folder, or you can choose to create subfolders, etc. It's completely up to you. Here, I'm just going to upload a PDF into the Uploads folder here. So let's click on the Uploads folder, and we'll go into it, and you can see lots of files that we've already got. And to add a new file, click on the Upload button. We can then click the button to choose our files, find our PDF file. So we're going to use this example PDF 2, which is the file that we're going to be linking to. Select that and click on Choose. So the file will go ahead and upload, and it will tell you as soon as it's finished uploading. So that's step 1 over with. Our file now is being uploaded to our website. Step 2 is to create a link from our page to this file. So let's click back onto the Pages tab on the left, and let's click back into our Edinburgh page. Now let's type out our text just as we did before, and let's say download the PDF. We go ahead and select that text, and then we can click on the Insert Link icon again. Now we can choose to link to download a file. When we do so, it gives us a drop-down box that gives us a list of all the files and folders just as we saw it before in our Files tab. So if I go into my Uploads tab and scroll down, you can see here we have my example PDF 2, which is the one that I just uploaded. So we can click on that PDF, click on Insert Link, and we now have a link to our PDF.